Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to convert a PDF to Microsoft Excel using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is a PDF and I'll convert to Excel document. Select this tools option. Now select an export PDF option and click on spreadsheet. You can convert XML spreadsheet 2003 or Microsoft Excel output. Now click on this setting icon. Here you can create worksheet for each page, create worksheet for each table and create single worksheet for the document. And also you can select here directed decimal thousand of separator, or you can put here custom decimal, and this is recognized text, and you can set language if you need any other language, and default language English is already selected and select OK. And I will create worksheet for each page and simply select OK and select finally export and choose the save folder location, next and you can rename it and select save and wait for few seconds converting. And see this, our worksheet create for each page and each table, 8 worksheet now created for 8 pages, a PDF file total page 8. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.